Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want you guys to know that I have a cold, so I might sound a little off, but I have like a really bad cold. Anyways, if you are new to my channel, please welcome and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification, which is the bell right next to the subscribe button. If you are an old subscriber, welcome back. So today, this video is not really a tutorial. We're just going to be talking about the Janet Collection Easy Braid, which is the pre-stretch hair, and it's already sorry, it's for people who are usually allergic to the alkaline that is in the regular expression braid. They sent me this hair to review, so you guys already know I keep it very real and I'm very honest when it comes to hair. So I'm just doing the I'm just doing box braids with the hair, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys about what I do and do not like about the hair, and if this hair is a hit or miss, not mix, miss. So this video again, it's pretty fast. It's not slowed down because it wasn't to teach or do a tutorial or anything. It's just kind of to talk about the hair. But if you guys want to slow it down and watch what I'm doing, YouTube do have an option where you can slow down the video, and that's in the little setting thing right next to the video. Um, so let's get into the hair. So the hair that we are using is the Janet Collection Easy Pre-Stretch Braid, and it was in the length 54 inches. I know they do have a shorter length, and we used, I used, I want to say, I want to say 4 packs of the triple bundle, which is like it has like 3 packs in like one pack. It's like 3 in 1. I want to say I used 4. I'm gonna look into it and leave the right amount in the description box below. But so to start off with the hair, as you guys may know, I have been using expression since I literally started braiding. So this was very new to me, and I'm the type of person that likes to stick to what I know, because I don't like trying new things. I feel like what if it goes wrong? So this was a challenge for me to try, but I had to do it, and I wanted to step out of the box. Do I like the hair? Yes. Are there things that I don't like about the hair? Yes. So we're gonna start off with the pros, and the pros is that the hair it claims to be antibacterial, antifungal, and then itch free, which is true. I did this video a long time, not a long time ago, about like a month ago, because I wanted to give my client time to actually rock the braids and then let me know if she had any itching or anything like that. And she said she didn't have any itching. She like actually liked the hair, like she didn't have to scratch her hair as much as she would have if she had used the original Janet Collection Braid. So that's a good thing, because I know a lot of you have a problem with the regular expression hair. You guys end up getting reactions from the alkaline that's in the hair. So that's a really good thing, because I mean, who don't want to not itch their hair? Um, the texture for me, of course, it doesn't match up to the Gina Collection expression braids was the original hair that I used. It feels a little bit more synthetic. Like it just feels a little bit more soft and silky. Whereby the Gina Collection hair actually feels a little bit more kinky and not too much, but it's a little rough. However, this hair, because it's a little silky, it's really neat. Like I don't even think, if you know how to braid right, you're not gonna have to trim around it or anything. So that's one thing that I liked about it, is how neat the hair is when you braid. Like for some hair, I know like the Kanikalon jumbo pack, like when you braid with that hair, you have a lot of trimming to do, and I hate that. But with this hair, you really don't have any trimming at all. As you guys can see in the video, like this is how neat the braid is. So I like that about it. What else do I like? I also like the fact that it's already stretched. I like the fact that they have different lengths because the Gina collection, it is already stretched, but it's one length. So if you want it longer, you're gonna have to buy the really long one and then stretch it out yourself. But with this one, they have different lengths. They have, I believe, okay, so they have a 54 and then they have a 30-inch, which is really good. So if you wanted to use it for your kids, you can go ahead and do the 30, and by 30 it's literally when it's like open, so when it's folded it's actually have that size. So don't think your child is gonna have like, really, it's not. When it's open up it's 30, but once you fold it it's half of 30. So I like the fact that it comes in different lengths. The length that my client is using is the 54. So I'm just trimming around the hair a little bit, and then we're gonna get into the cons, which is the part that I don't really like in the hair, but it's not a really big deal. I mean, some people like it, some people can live with it. For me, I don't know. And that's the dipping part. So with the Gina collection here, when you dip it, it dips really smoothly. Not smoothly, but the ends are really straight and clean and neat. I found that with the Janet collection, however, when you dip the hair, the ends are not as clean as I would want it to be. It's a little curly, so I have to dip it a couple more times to get it as straight as I wanted to get it. And then even after doing that, once the hair was dry, it kind of looked frizzy. Like it didn't have that smooth, straight, nice ends that the regular hair would give. This one was a little bit messy at the ends, and that was the problem for me because like it looks good like this, but then even I still have to dip it a couple more times. And once it dries, it just looks a little messy and frizzy. So I guess you can put some oil, or you can, like, trim the ends a little bit, however you want to do it. Some people don't mind. My client didn't mind, but I actually did mind. So that's the only thing that I can say I don't like about this hair. But apart from that, it's perfect for those of you who have allergic reactions to the regular braided hair and want to try something more safe and, I guess good for your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of this video. I appreciate you guys. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications, share, and I will see you on my next video. Have a blessed day.